Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and I had no idea that I could be completely in love with a pillow. But this king size side sleeper scrumptious pillow from Honeydew has become my new best friend. It has completely changed the way that I sleep, and I am so thankful to have this pillow. I have always been a side sleeper and I always have issues with my neck and my shoulders. But this pillow and the way that it is designed is so intuitive and so comfortable for sleeping on your side. It is able to wrap completely around my head and support my neck no matter what position I'm in. Also, it came with this amazing silk pillowcase that is made especially for the shape of this pillow. So, if you are a side sleeper and you're looking to find something that is going to help support your neck and be so comfortable to sleep on, then give this Scrumptious Side Sleeper pillow a chance from Honeydew. I don't think you will be disappointed because it is absolutely amazing. I am so in love with it. I think you're really going to enjoy this pillow too. And that is my point of view.